Of course, CDM President, sabi nga po niya kanina, anak niya ako, yung aming pong nanay sa DUST NCR dati, Dr. Teresita C. Fortuna, CHED NCR Regional Director, Dr. Julieta M. Paras, partners from the Department of Education, department heads, partners from the local government unit, partners from the academe, partners from the industry, and of course, our partners from the media, yung ating pong mga kasamahang educators, innovators, and future leaders. So kayo po yon, yung mga kasamahan nating estudyante ngayon. Isang makaagham na araw po sa lahat. It is our pleasure, kami sa DUST NCR, to be celebrating this 2024 Muntinlupa City Robotics Fair and Exhibit. Sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina, pang-anim na namin itong pakikipagtulungan with the CDM in holding the annual Robotics Fair and Exhibit. This gathering is a testament to boundless potential of science, technology, and innovation as a catalyst for brighter and more sustainable future. Kami po sa DUST, we really envision to provide enabling environment and to provide science, technology, and innovation explicit solutions for inclusive national development. And ang team natin for this year, dito sa ating Robotics Fair, Emerging Technologies and Innovations for Inclusive Economic Development and Sustainability, perfectly aligns with that vision of the DUST. This encapsulates our collective aspiration to harness the power of science and technology in building hindi lang yung smart cities natin but also resilient. And para sa akin, yung isang pinaka-importante talaga ay inclusive communities that would look at progress, uplifting every individual, leaving no one behind. Recently, we have just also turned over yung aming pong Science, Technology, and Innovation Plan. This is another initiative that we have with the City of Government of Muntinlupa, where we co-created with the team from the Muntinlupa City yung ating pong mga aspirations and proposed programs, activities, and projects and to provide an STI lens doon sa paggagawa ng city planning. We hope to also enhance this collaboration papunta naman doon sa development of a smart and sustainable city framework. Hence, we at the DUST NCR would also be able to cater yung aming implementation of programs and technology development that would align with the vision and the needs of the city. With this initiative, CDM would also play a very important role, with CDM being as well a provider of the technology needs na kinakailangan ng City of Muntinlupa, hindi lamang para doon sa iba-ibang sektor ng ating communities, but also more importantly, yung nandoon sa kasamahan natin sa industry. And we laud the initiatives of the CDM in establishing these linkages with all sectors in the Muntinlupa City. And with these initiatives, makikita din natin yung importansya talaga ng new technologies, emerging technologies, such as robotics, kasama of course dito yung data science, so that we would anchor our decision-making on data, on science, on logic na makikita natin that would have significant impact doon sa ating mga kasamahan sa city. And this event would actually offer potential to bring yung ating vision na yon to life. Robotics would have substantial impact hindi lamang doon sa ating mga management systems, urban management systems, pati din sa enhancing disaster response capabilities, even in healthcare delivery systems, enabling greener industries, and robotics would offer a transformative platform for solving complex urban problems. And yung mga events na ganito, parati din namin pinag-uusapan, saan ba talaga tayo magsisimula? And I personally believe that one of the building blocks would really focus on building the culture, building capabilities, and this event would be one ways to do that. And yung kasamahan natin from the ating mga students, yung ating mga partners from DepEd, we see this event as a collaborative initiative that would increase awareness of the potentials of emerging technology in solving yung ating current problems as well as future problems na pwede nating harapin. And it's exciting to see in the next 3 years, but in the next 3 days, yung mix of activities that we will be doing, merong awareness building, meron ding activities that would enhance yung that would enhance the creative spark doon sa ating mga estudyante in potentially looking at product and service features that we can offer. So sana mag-enjoy yung ating mga estudyante in the competitions that we will be having in the next 3 days. Pero I would just like to also echo yung sinabi ni Ma'am kanina. These are not really competitions per se, but really activities that would enhance the collaboration doon sa ating mga estudyante. And we hope that in the next 3 days ay inyo pong makita at ma-enjoy and provide inspiration sa inyo. More than just a showcase of technical brilliance, this event also fosters a mindset that embraces adaptability and sustainability, qualities that are essential as we navigate yung fast-changing dynamics ng ating mundo ngayon. Sabi nga nila, we live ngayon in a VUCA world. Very volatile, very complex, and hence, ating mga adaptive mechanisms would also have to be very strategic and would also have to change. On behalf of the UST-NCR, we extend our congratulations sa lahat po that made this event possible. Firstly, foremostly, of course, sa CDM, sa support of the local government unit, and then sa support ng ating pong mga partners and mentors from the industry and from other government agencies.